we go. This is what happens when you don't pay your bill. Hey, it's still roadworthy. It's roadworthy. Here we go. What did the test? No, then we won't be able to get it back. I don't think there's anything to salvage on this. Just don't fuck with the wheels. Hey, grab the transmission for Jerry. Oh shit! Yo. I got a toe still. Watch the wheels.
I think you busted the leaf through.
Oh no. That's okay, you can still drag it. Oh no! What the fuck? Now we gotta clean that! We tried, Jerry, we tried, buddy. Oh no!
Hey, wait, Rick, take the rest of the exhaust off. Yeah, the bumper's gotta go. Just try not to rip the rear end off.
There you go! We're back!
It's got no park now, the trannies are...
Oh no, it's gonna roll down the hill! We gotta put a brick. Here, you wanna record?
Is it recording? The action shot. No neutral no more. Well, actually, it's neutral all the time.
I think she's done.
Yeah, she doesn't look too good.
Let's see if she starts.
Let's go get it certified.
Hold on, Rick, you're gonna pull the tire off. Then he won't tow it. I think we're done. Another quality job.
At Iberia. Need some landscaping done? Holy shit. That's great. Couldn't have done better myself.
She's done.
Oh man.